Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have some patchy fog out there that is slow to erode away this morning. We're going to see partly cloudy skies eventually by the late morning hours into the afternoon, and it'll turn out to be a pretty pleasant day with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for daytime highs today. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that high pressure building in from the west. We have this stalled out frontal boundary that is dissipating over the Outer Banks this morning. That is what was providing the trigger for those showers and thunderstorms last week by the end of the week, but we have seen it dissipate, and therefore we're not going to see a big trigger for shower and thunderstorm activity as we go through the next couple of days. Just minimal chances of seeing some of those showers and thunderstorms across the region. I'm going to take a look at our radar. You can see nothing to be concerned with currently, and not expecting really any big chances for showers and thunderstorms throughout the day today. Could see some in the central portion of the Delmarva Peninsula, and I'll highlight that in just a few minutes as we look at our forecast model. Looking at our visible satellite imagery, you can see some of the low clouds hanging on to the eastern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula here this morning, but we are going to see that continue to erode and will give way to partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies here in just another hour or so. So I want to take a look here at our forecast model and what we can expect throughout the day. As I mentioned, we are going to see the potential of an isolated shower or two across the central portions of the Delmarva, but it does look like for the most part we'll see dry weather continuing here at Wallops, with most of that activity off to our north today. So this is at 1 o'clock. You can see that shower developing just northwest of Salisbury and into the afternoon hours. Really nothing making it down into this region here around Wallops, as we'll see most of the activity staying away from Wallops. Quite a bit of activity expected over in the Tidewater region later this afternoon into the early evening hours, but for us, looks like we'll see a pretty quiet day overall. As we go into the day on Tuesday, you can see really not much in the way of shower and thunderstorms being supported here on the model. Again, looks like any that do develop across the region will be to our south and also to our north, without really any big concerns here in the local Wallops region. As we look ahead to the forecast for the extended period, switching over here to the European model and going through the mid portion of this week into the later portion of this week, you can see by Wednesday a little bit of precipitation showing up on the model here during the afternoon and evening hours. We'll start to see a little bit more support in the upper levels moving closer to the Wallops region as we get to the middle of the week, and especially as we get to the end of this work week, Thursday and Friday, seeing increasing chances of showers and thunderstorms mainly during the afternoon and evening hours as we look toward the end of the week. But it does look like we'll see a frontal boundary a little closer to our area, and also some upper level energy as well over the Wallops region for that period of time. So it could see some pretty good chances by Friday of scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. And then into the weekend, looks like still pointing to the chances for those showers and thunderstorms lingering across the region. Probably a better chance on Saturday than what we'll see on Sunday as high pressure begins to try to build back into the region. Taking a look at our upper level winds from this morning's balloon release, you can see very light winds aloft all the way up to 25,000 feet. The strongest wind we can find is at that 25,000 foot level with a westerly component at 11 knots, freezing level at 14,100 feet. And then looking at our next 24 hours, really the only hazard is for those low clouds that we're currently seeing, and again a return for a chance of some low cloudiness overnight tonight. Again, as I mentioned, some indication that we could see a shower or thunderstorm developing across the central portion of the Delmarva. It looks like the best chances of that occurring would be between the hours of 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock this afternoon, only carrying about a 10% chance of that occurring here at Wallops. As we look at the next 7 days, looking at the next couple of days being fairly quiet across the Wallops area, with highs generally running around 87 degrees. We're not going to see much change in our temperatures throughout the entire week. It'll be a fairly humid week, but we will see those temperatures maxing out in the mid to upper 80s for daytime highs and those overnight lows in the low to mid 70s. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday see increasing chances for showers and thunderstorms, mostly during the afternoon and evening. However, as we get to Friday, it looks like we'll see a better chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout the entire day, looking at a 25% chance on Wednesday, 35% on Thursday, and then up to a 55% chance on Friday. And then for the weekend, again, looking at the good possibility of seeing those showers and thunderstorms lingering across the region. About a 40% chance on Saturday and a 30% chance on Sunday. As we get closer to those dates, we'll have a better idea of the exact placement of that front and our chances for showers and thunderstorms for the weekend. But right now, it does look like we will at least see the opportunity for a few showers and thunderstorms across the region later this weekend. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning with a briefing at 8:15 and your extended outlook at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.